No, can you not? What are you doing? Don't do that. No, you're going to hurt yourself. Get off your head. Thank you. No, woman. Show me your belly. Is that Ella's belly? You're so silly. What's on your t-shirt? Come out from in there. No. What's on your t-shirt? Are you rearranging the kitchen? No. Why are you into everything? No. No. Absolutely not. You're being awfully goofy this morning. What do you have? Come here with your pretty hair. Is that your belly? Come here, what do you have in your hand? Give mommy what's in your hand. Give it to mommy. I got it. At that belly. Is that your belly? You're so silly. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. No, leave your shirt on. You're so silly. What are you doing? Goofball.